How to restore chat history on Messenger. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can restore chat history on Messenger. The first thing you want to do is open the Messenger app. If you find the option chat history is missing on this device, you can simply tap on the restore now option, then enter your PIN to restore your chat history. But if you do not find that option, simply tap on menu at the bottom right corner, then tap on settings. Once you get to settings, scroll down and tap on privacy and safety. Then you will find the option end-to-end encrypted chats, tap on that. Here you have the option message storage, tap on that. Now tap on turn on secure storage. Here you will have to enter your PIN to restore your chat history. Once you enter the PIN, your chat history will be restored on Messenger, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.